3 years ago, COVID-19 pandemic rendered our lives hopeless. Since then, we have all wondered if we would make it to the end. But God has been truly good, because finally, here we are at this very moment, marking the end of our journey as senior high school students. Tonight, we have reaped the concerted fruits of our burnouts, mental breakdowns, and sleepless nights that we have encountered along the way to this exciting moment. To the Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the Diocese of Iba Educational Foundation, Most Reverend Bartolome G. Santos Jr., Doctor of Divinity. Reverend Father Orlando B. Correa, the member of the Diocese of Iba Educational Foundation. Reverend Father Jaime A. Esperson, our school chaplain. Mr. Julius Cesar G. De Barra, our school principal. Mrs. Percy Danasin Masa, our diligent and dedicated guest speaker. Mr. Alan Del Ferro, our Alumni Association President. And the tireless teachers and staff, proud parents, fellow graduates, friends, and guests, a pleasant evening. It is truly a great opportunity for me. It is truly a great opportunity for me to stand here tonight and speak on behalf of my fellow graduates. I don't know whether to feel happy or sad, knowing that this is the last time as we gather as classmates and students here in Carmel Academy of Palawig Incorporated. But one thing for sure, we will forever be a Carmelians. I am truly happy to see how joyful you are and how proud our parents are. But at the same time, I am sad because seeing each of my batchmates' face reminds me of the memories that we've shared. And at awesome sisters here, and bidding farewell brings a bittersweet day. It feels like it was just yesterday when we were those neighborhood teenagers entering senior high school with the anticipation of experiencing more complex emotion, developing crushes, making new friends, exploring the larger world, and of course, growing up. It feels like only yesterday when we were too shy to speak and make new friends, fearing that no one would accept us. But here we are now, with childhood smile, having earned a certificate that symbolizes our hard work, determination, pace, and sacrifices. We have shared a lot of memories. Yung mga kaklase natin lang hihingi ng papel tuwing may quiz, hindi sumisipot tuwing may practice. On the way na raw, pero hindi pa nakakaalis. Mga nakahampas ng bago, nagpapaayos ng buhok, kaklaseng laging inaantok na pumasok lang sa klase para matulog. Mahilig mag-ML, mahilig mag-TikTok, at nagpapaalam na pupunta sa banyo, pero sa kantin pala ang diretsyon. Indeed, senior high school life has truly been a roller coaster ride for us. We have faced setbacks and encounters obstacles along the way, but we have also learned countless lessons that shape us into who we are today. That is why we are all here to celebrate our achievements. During our initial year as senior high school student, which is grade 11, we will still face lockdowns that compel us to still further adapt to modular learning and online learning, with only a limited numbers of students able to attend. As we had reached grade 12 and graduation had shown here, many of us experienced the challenges. When we experience moment when our inner voices, sentiments like, ayoko na, or suko na ako. However, tonight, we have proven that we can emerge as vectors. This is an example of a commendable characteristic ingrained in us as Filipinos, our resiliency. Whether we call it as resilience, perseverance, or discipline, we triumph over them and successfully persevere. Thus, it is fitting to declare that we are all resilient. At times, it feels arduous to maintain resilience and face the variety of challenges that unfold in our lives. During such moment, we simply need to be reminded of the power of strength that remains with us. And this may be the reason why we made this far. And now, we are wearing these shoes and caps that symbolize our prides, hard work, and commitment. This Amasi as well as success, a result of everything that we went through here at Carmel Academy of Palawig Incorporated. And now that I have the opportunity, please allow me to send my gratitude to all the people who became part of our high school life. To our classmates and friends, thank you for a good year. It has been the best.
Aww.
The year went by so fast. I wish we could go back in time. Thank you for the memories that brings joy to our class. Sana kahit mag-college na tayo, hindi mabuwag ang samahang Philip and friends nina Philip, Lawrence, Clint, Lee Marion, Ulysses, Elmer, Lance, Justin, John Lloyd, Sean, Justin Roy, and Matthew. ICT boys na Robert, Mark, Carl David, Enzo, Andre, and Adric. Tres Marias na Princess, Lizerne, and Irish. Poetry friends nina Mary Claire, Nikayla, Ivy, Armeline, Kimberly, and Leah. Gifted girls nina Eden, Nicole, Andrea, and Angel. At mga samahan ng perfect attendance nina J.Lo, CK, Andy, Isley, Lance. And of course, JJ WK, nina Jeff, Jeffrey, Wendell, and Casey. I want to take this opportunity to let you know how immensely proud for each and every one of you. I eagerly await witnessing your future accomplishment as accountants, lawyers, engineers, police officers, flight attendants, teachers, doctors, and aspirants for your own family. I am excited to witness your success in the future. To all our mentors and teachers here at Carmel Academy of Palawig Incorporated, Sir J. Mark, Ma'am Suleika, Ma'am Sally, Ma'am Nicole, Ma'am Rika, Ma'am Rina, Ma'am Anito, Sir Vernon, Ma'am Roslyn, Ma'am Jonale, Sir Alan, Ma'am Sarah, Ma'am Amalia, and to our advisor, Mrs. Sonia M. Abuyo. And to all these teachers who have become our second parents in the previous years. Thank you for the guidance, wisdom, and values that you taught us. You are the true heroes of today. Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang mga alaala iniwan niyo sa amin at ang mga linyang, ay, grabe siya!
Sir
Kamusta
Alan!
kayo mga min?
Sir Vernon!
Kaya yan kapatid, ikaw pa ba?
Sir J.
At
Mark!
ay ganon? Wow, mali!
Mama Maya!
Of course, I am with you. I am with you. Are you with me?
Ay, mali!
I am with you.
Yes!
classroom bago yung iwan. Dear teachers, your love, dedication, and sacrifices have taught us to aim higher. Thank you for that, all you've done for us. We wish you a boundless happiness and life. And truly deserve nothing but the best. Saludo po kami sa inyo. We are thankful that faith draws you to end our lives. More so, here also to the school staff that also become part of our life as Carmelians. Sir Anis, Ma'am Credo, Ma'am Pastor, Ate Myra, and to our school guards, Kuya Alan Perer and Kuya Alan Chodoro. To our school principal, Mr. Julius Cesar G. De Vera, you came here not so long ago, but you have so much impact in this school. Thank you for providing us with the tools and resources we needed to succeed in school and in life. You have inspired greatness and goodness within us Carmelians. We shall forever treasure our wonderful stay here in Carmel Academy of Palawig Incorporated. To our diligent and dedicated guest speaker, Mrs. Percy Danasin Masa, thank you for joining us tonight as we celebrate this great milestone. Thank you very much for encouraging us and motivating us to take towards our dreams. To our Alumni Association President, Mr. Alan Del Ferro, thank you for all your efforts together with the Alumni Association Officer. Thank you very much for your continued support to Carmel Academy. To my parents, Jason Dolohan and Jamie Dolohan, Nay, Tay, thank you very much for all your sacrifices for me and for my siblings. Thank you for supporting me emotionally, financially, and unconditionally. Nay, Tay, thank you for always being there. Salamat po na kapag nangihina na ako at gusto ko nang sumuko, nandyan kayo para sabihin na, kaya mo yan. I remember before na may mga panahon na pinapagalitan niyo po ako dahil madaling araw na ako natutulog at nakakalimutan ng kumain dahil maraming activities at project ang tinatapos ko. But thank you for the endless love, care, time, and discipline that you have invested in me. Maraming salamat po na parati kayo nandyan upang gabayan, suportahan, at mahalin ako. Ganon din po sa mga magulang na nandito at tumatayong mga magulang. Maraming salamat po sa hindi niyo pagsuko sa mga anak ninyo at sa pagbibigay ng suporta sa amin. To my siblings, tita and titos, lolas and lolas, and my parents, I feel immensely grateful and blessed that you have always been for me, supporting me throughout my journey. All of you guys are the main reason why I'm standing here tonight, and you will guys forever be my inspiration. Maaari ko po bang anyayahan ang lahat nagtapos, my fellow graduates, para tumayo at humarap sa lahat ng taong naging parte ng tagumpay na ito. Humarap po tayo sa kanilang lahat at bigyan po natin sila ng isang masigabong palakpakan. And to our alumni and to our alma mater, Carmel Academy of Palawig Incorporated, thank you for the loving years you've sheltered us. We promise to come back soon with loads of success on our shoulders. Most importantly, let us give praise and glory to our Almighty Father for the gift of life, wisdom, and love. Thank you. Thank you, Lord, for another fruitful and successful career filled with joy, learning, and fun. Another chapter in our lives comes to an end, but another one will soon begin, college life. To the graduating class of batch 2023, my classmate, dream high, aim high, and soar high. Let us reach for the star where our dreams reside. Failure may be an option, but it is up to you whether you give up or persevere and try again. Whatever is destined will find its way back, no matter how long it takes. Whatever is meant for you will come. Just don't give up, keep moving forward, and remember that you are resilient. My fellow graduates, I leave you with this. According to the Psalm chapter 37 verse 4, delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Indeed, Psalm chapter 37 verse 4 is not a promise that God will give you whatever you want, but it is a promise that asks you that if you seek God wholeheartedly and find joy in His presence, your desire will align with Him. Your desire will match up with Him. Once again, my fellow graduates, let us rise from every stumble and setbacks, extend our arms forward, and keep moving ahead. Always remember that being Carmelian is our identity, and with love, we should pledge our loyalty wherever we may be. Once again, congratulations to the batch of 2023. Thank you and God bless us all.